Welcome to Kids Wise Corner. Have you ever had the scenario when you had an Afrikaans Begrips test and you felt like running away? Don't worry friends, we at Kids Wise Corner are here to help. In this video, I'll show you how to easily answer an Afrikaans comprehension questions. Just follow these simple steps and you'll do great. The content is in both English and Afrikaans. Today we're learning how to easily answer a comprehension test. Let's get started. Here is a summary of steps explained in English and Afrikaans. Step 1. Read the passage carefully, don't rush. When you get your comprehension test, the first thing you need to do is read the passage carefully. Don't rush, take your time and make sure you understand what's happening. Step 2. Look at the questions and underline important words like why, when, and how. After you've read the passage, go to the questions. Look for important words like why, when, and how, and underline them. This will help you know what to focus on when looking for the answers. Step 3. Read the passage again and underline the answers you find. This time, as you read, underline the parts that answer the questions. This makes it easier to find the information later. Step 4. Always answer in full sentences, unless told otherwise. Remember to always write your answers in full sentences, unless the question asks you to do something different. Step 5. Check how many marks each question is worth. This will help you understand how much detail is needed in your answer. Step 6. Number your answers correctly, so your teacher can easily find your responses. Step 7. Some questions might ask for answers not found in the passage. Watch out for those. You'll need to think about what you've read and give a logical answer based on that. Learn the question words. By learning some important question words that will help you in your comprehension test. By understanding these, you'll be able to answer questions correctly. By learning and understanding these question words, you'll be ready to answer any comprehension test question confidently. Now that we've gone through the question words, let's use a comprehension passage to help identify the types of questions and how to answer them. We'll look at the passage and see how these question words come into play. Remember, read the question carefully and use these tips to get the right answers. Subscribe for more videos to help you with schoolwork.
Kids Wise Corner, where learning takes flight. With new videos uploaded weekly, everything's right. Hit the bell, stay tuned, let us help you grow. At Kids Wise Corner, you are joining the winning team for sure.